Students, now we will continue. Indo-Greek alliance under the Mauryan rule. What do you mean by the term alliance? Alliance means some agreement. After the death of Alexander, his empire was divided among the generals he had left behind in charge. One of them was Seleucus. So Chandragupta Maurya defeated Seleucus as he crossed the Indus while trying to recapture Indian provinces. As a result, Seleucus had to surrender all conquered territory to the Mauryan Empire and also gave his daughter in marriage to Chandragupta. He also sent Megasthenes as ambassador to his court. Ambassador कहते हैं मैसेंजर को. To grant Chandragupta formal rights over Alexander conquest in India. Thus, Chandragupta was able to drive the Greeks out of the Punjab. In this way, he was able to make them go out, move out from the Punjab, whom the Greeks. Now, students, we will study about the founding of Mauryan rule. After this success and strengthening his position in Punjab, who? Chandragupta Maurya's position. Chandragupta Maurya gathered a powerful army. He invaded Magad. The Nanda rulers of Magad had become quite unpopular with their subjects. तो लोगों के साथ उनकी behavior अच्छी नहीं थी नंदा rulers की. They were not so famous with the people. So their administration was weak and inefficient. They were not capable to carry on with the administration properly. So Chandragupta Maurya took benefit of this situation in Magad and succeeded in defeating the Nanda rulers in 322 BC and became the ruler of Magad. He became the founder of the Mauryan dynasty and the Mauryan Empire. So, his victory in Magad in 322 BC proved to be an event of great historical significance, means importance. He set up a vast empire और उसने एक बहुत ही बड़ा empire जो है वो अपना बनाया. Now, the extent of Chandragupta Maurya's empire, कितना एरिया जो था उसने अपने अंडर कंट्रोल किया हुआ था, कैप्चर किया हुआ था. Chandragupta Maurya set upon a course of conquest. लगातार उसने अटैक्स किए. He built up a vast empire which included eastern, western and northwestern India and went up to Deccan. This was the first great empire in the history of India. His empire may be said to extend from Bengal in the east to Hindu Kush in the west and from the Himalayas in the north to the confines, means borders, of Mysore in the south, means in all the directions he had conquered the different places. So he's built up a very vast empire. Now student, we will study about Chanakya. Kautilya, also called Chanakya or Vishnu Gupta, Hindu statesman and philosopher who wrote a classic treatise on polity. Politics के ऊपर उसने बुक लिखी थी जिसका नाम था अर्थशास्त्र, The Science of Material Gain. Underline this students. कौटिल्य, चाणक्य को अंडरलाइन करो. इसके 2 नेम्स थे, कौटिल्य और विष्णु गुप्ता. Or also underline Arthashastra. He write a book called Arthashastra. Then he was born into a, we will study about his, some introduction is there about Chanakya. He was born into a Brahmin family and received his education at Takshila, now in Pakistan. Kautilya became a counselor and advisor to Chandragupta. हर एक एडवाइस उसको गाइड करता था, उसको काउंसिल भी देता था, उसको बताता था कि आपने किस तरह से हैंडल करना है सिचुएशन को. सो ही एक्ट एज ए काउंसलर एंड एन एडवाइजर टू चंद्रगुप्ता. ही वॉज instrumental in helping Chandragupta overthrow the powerful Nanda dynasty at Patliputra and played a very important role in establishing and expanding the Magadhan Empire.